It's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hello, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
Have a fun day, Sea Lions.
Welcome to the Ice Cream Social. I hope you had a great Labor Day holiday.
Bye.
This is Sea Lion leader Raina Terry with this week's announcements. We hope you had a great 3-day weekend. Happy Labor Day! Kindergarten welcome conferences are all done. Kindergarten and UTK will begin 1:20 dismissal starting on Tuesday. College Day is on Wednesday. Support your favorite university by wearing college gear. Gaga is a special place thanks to all of our wonderful volunteers. The room parent meeting is on Friday at 8 a.m. We have a community event on Saturday. Check out the Seal Beach Lions Art Fair at Eisenhower Park from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The Sea Lion Chorus is performing at 11 in the morning. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Let's make it a great week.
Hey Sea Lions, this is Mr. Larson with a quick behavior update here at the Gaga Pit. I wanted you to know that it's important to practice good sportsmanship whenever you're playing Gaga ball. Gaga ball is a type of sport where it's really easy to have fun because you're in a group of 21 students and you're bouncing a ball around. But remember, it's not okay to target people, to team up, or to make plans to get certain people out. We want to make sure that all Sea Lions that are playing Gaga ball have an equal opportunity to have fun and to also enjoy the game. So if you're taking the competition way too seriously, then it's probably a good idea to find something else to play. Make sure that you are using good sportsmanship, no matter if you are inside the Gaga ball court or outside waiting in line. And lastly, let's be honest with ourselves. If that ball hits your knee or anywhere below the knee, you got to make sure that you step out without any argument. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Let's make Gaga ball a safer and more fun place to play. Hey Sea Lions, I'm here on the playground structure and my entire body is blocking this slide. If this were a typical day at recess, then there'd probably be lines of students waiting for me to go down. And I just want to let you know, it's not cool to block a slide. Slides are meant to give more enjoyment to students who are using the playground structure. We use the stairs to come up and we use the slides to go down. When you block the slide, it keeps students from having fun. If you notice that someone is blocking a slide, then it's simple. Kindly ask that they move out of the way. If they don't move out of the way, then it's probably a good idea to go find an adult and they'll give you some help. Slides are an important part of our playground experience, and let's just make sure that our bodies are not blocking slides. Thanks so much, students, for doing the right thing, getting help if someone's blocking a slide, and for kindly asking them to move aside. I appreciate you, and we'll see you on the campus playground. Bye.
I'm grateful to Miss Breedlove because she's slay and she gives us brain breaks and stuff so that we have time to talk to people.
I appreciate Lizzie because she's good and I know her for like 4 years.
Thank you, Presley. Have a good friend. I say
to Miss Lou because she's a nice teacher.
High five. Yes. Hey, what's that? Congratulations. All right, go send it up.
UTK.
Let's kick things off by celebrating UTK student from Miss Seigen's class, Samwise Almeida. Miss Donner said that Samwise helped a friend stay off the swing with the bar shields. Thanks so much, Samwise. You made a great choice.
Kindergarten.
Congratulations to kindergarten student from Miss Kim's class, Stanley Stain. Stanley is so kind to others. His outgoing personality enabled him to make new friends easily. Way to go, Stanley. Thanks for being such a great sea lion.
First grade.
Congratulations to first grader from Mrs. Lupescu's class, Elle Montemer. Elle cheered up a friend by switching erasers with him. You are so kind, and sometimes a little gesture of kindness can go a long way. Thank you.
Second grade.
Mrs. Fox wants to celebrate second grader Jameson Crowell. She said that Jameson was waiting quietly outside the hallway restroom for his classmate. He set a great example for my class. I love it when sea lions are turning into school leaders.
Third grade.
Mrs. Obert wants to celebrate third grader Carter Johnson. She said Carter Johnson always displays a professional attitude to the challenge of third grade. He's a leader in the making. Way to go, Carter!
Fourth grade.
Miss Wood wants to celebrate fourth grader Jackson Dyer. She said Jackson was an upstander in class by supporting another student. We appreciate you, buddy. Thanks for doing the right thing when we needed you the most.
Fifth grade.
And finally, Mr. Larson wants to celebrate fifth grader Santana Beverly. He said that your exemplary leadership during Kids Corner has been amazing. Thank you for being a huge helper in the hallways. We appreciate you, Santana. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.